What is the Climate Pledge Friendly badge, and does it boost your sales? Let me break this down to give you a better understanding on what this badge is about, and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me, and let's get into the content. All right, so I'm getting a number of questions around the community, even on YouTube posts, and then even in my DMs, and like the Facebook group, stuff like that. So everyone's asking a lot of the same question, and I want to make this video to help you all understand from my information and from the research that I've been doing and watching the videos on how Amazon is explaining it to us. And I'm talking about this Climate Pledge Friendly badge right here. So this listing has it, this listing has it, then this listing has it, this listing has it, this one has it, this one has it, and this one doesn't have it. I'm not sure why, because we're all, and I'll break it down, but I'm not sure why this one doesn't have it, but I'm assuming because there's no, from the only thing I'm looking at right now, by looking at these, there's no ratings on that one yet, so maybe it doesn't have it, but it seems like most of the Amazon merch products that have as far as the t-shirts that have ratings or reviews, they have the Climate Pledge Friendly badge. And if you click on it right here, it's going to bring you down over here. You can see it's going to pop up. And as we click on it right here, it's going to show us the product certification. OKIO Tech Standard 100, and then requires textiles-based products to be tested against a list of 1,000 plus chemicals to limit those which may be harmful to human health. Certification focus, product safety, and chemical use. So that is the certification under this listing. Now let's go over here, click on another one, and that's the same one thing with that one and that one, and it's basically what it is, what I just explained right there. So that's what we're getting. That's the product certification that we're getting from that. And one thing I want to clarify is is it giving us more sales? And by looking at this, right, if you come up here, it looks pretty nice. If a customer understands what this is and they're like Climate Pledge Friendly, and it's like health environment type stuff, environmental stuff, like, you know what I mean? It seems like it may increase sales by like 1%, 2%, if anything, right? Because it looks cool, right? As shopping experience, looking at it like, oh yeah, it looks cool. But there's no proof to me, you know, there's no proof. Like, you have to have proof, have to have the data, but it does look cool. It kind of looks, I don't know, just think about it from a customer perspective. You're looking at that, cool, like what is it going to do? Is it boosting my sales? I really don't feel like it's going to boost your sales too much unless you're making sales already, but it does. It may influence the shopper to be like, oh yeah, this is cool, Climate Pledge Friendly. Oh, I'll buy it. And when you click on that too, it's going to, when you click on that, so when you click on it, and then you can click on learn more, you can actually click on, let me see. Oh, but when you click on it, it brings up this. The assessment process is globally standardized, independently conducted, and updated at least once a year on new scientific information or regulatory requirements, certification focus, product safety. And then it gives you a certification number and all that cool stuff. And then, so it's like bringing us all the way over here. Yeah, like it's breaking it down even more. And look at here is a piece of clothing. So I'll link this down below in the description too. So if you want to just go over, look at some of this stuff and what product class is, and you can break that down and you can look at anything further if you want to look into this more. But that is that certification that we're getting on our Amazon merch listing. As Amazon merch seller, this is what we're getting. And now, one thing I was looking at, the other thing I was thinking about too was like products, what we were getting this badge for. I clicked on that, right? Just right click on learn more, and it pops up over here and it gives like a whole breakdown. And if you watch this video, it's a cool video that kind of breaks it down a little bit more. But one thing I was really thinking about was like compact by design, right? And I was like thinking this would have something to do with it, because the product removes excess air and water, which reduces the carbon fiber of shipping and packaging. So I was thinking more of like the packaging design of it, and I was like, that would be good, because we get our products, when I get like an Amazon shirt sent to me, this is exactly what it looks like. And I was like thinking like they're not using boxes, they're not using, you know what I mean, they're not using boxes and throwing in like those little air pillows in there, right? They're not doing that. They're shipping it in this. And I was thinking that's what it came from right now. But as I'm doing more and more research, it goes into a little bit more detail, as the whole breakdown of this, the product certification, and it says 1. So I'm assuming that's what this is on the listing, and this is what we're getting, that Climate Pledge Friendly. And if I butchered that name, I'm sorry, but that's what it is. And you know how I clicked on it, went into more detail. It broke it down over here even more, and it gives you more, what does the label mean, all this stuff, and it kind of gives you more information probably in this video right here too. I haven't clicked on this yet, but if you want to watch it and just, you know, kind of just give you the insight of how we're getting that badge, right? Because it's like I said, obviously it is a cool badge to have on the listing, but I'm not sure if it's making a big difference in sales, you know, on the listing. But just thinking about it as a buyer, like from a shopper's point of view, you know, it may help out a little bit. I don't know for sure unless I have the data looking, if I'm looking at the data and it would give us that type of information. But you know, Amazon won't give us that type of information. You know, they're strict with certain things like that, because that's one way, you know, all the data and stuff, they keep that to themselves because that's how they make a lot of money and make the platform a better platform for buyers and keep their competition out. And you know, as a business, they're very blah about, you know, sharing information with us, but you know, we're on their platform selling stuff. So, and if you come down a little bit more here, you're going to see like you can browse through like different products too. So like I said, if you click on something like that, it will show you shop climate pledge friendly products, and it will give you basically a breakdown, and it will show you all the other products. And I'm pretty sure we have some Amazon merch products in here ranking or you know, populating in this category, because we obviously have the badge as Amazon merch sellers. So yeah, there it is right there. I'll put all these links, all this information down below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I just wanted to share this knowledge with you guys to give you better insight and maybe help you have a better understanding of it. And if you want more niche ideas that will make you money online, watch this video right here and give this video a thumbs up.